Begging for anything to pass the time. Want you to keep me to your backbone.